House Bill number 381, there are 24 impossible, I'll be able to explain. The 4 bills read earlier. House Bill 381 of Representative Flores from Bukidnon. Ang ingon niya, no member of the family shall succeed the incumbent. Dili ko no pwede, para sayon ba, masabtan, akong buhaton ihimplo akong kaugalingon. Kung mahuman ko sa Kongreso, dili pwede sundan sa akong igsuon or musulod sa depende kung unsa ma-approve first, second, third ug fourth. Sayang balahod pod nag-ingon in his law, if this concerns barangay officials, relatives are prohibited to run in the same barangay and other barangays in the same legislative district. Ihimplo, kung kapitan ko dini, barangay Lapasan, ang akong igsuon, dili pwede mudagan within dini sa distrito ni Kong Rufus. Ikatulo, ingon siya, if a municipal or city official relatives are prohibited to run in the same municipality o city. Pareha sa munisipyo, pareha po sa syudad. Very fast. Mubo. For House Bill 874 kay Representative Del Mar, the gentle lady from Cebu, if incumbent or local provincial officials, including district representatives, relatives are prohibited to run in any position within the province. Kung sa iyang pasabot, ako suwayan pagbadbad. Ako lang suwayan pagbadbad niya para masabtan nato ba? Naiuban, malantipog sa labutan, anay uban po nga gapaningkamot nga makasabot, munang gianhi kay gustong mahimong tipik sa pagbuhat sa balaod. You want to be a part in crafting the law. Kung sa ingon niya, sa iyang balaod, ingon siya, dili pwede nga kung naanay na nga tungdanan, kongresista, gobernador, nga napaylain nga pwedeng matungdanan sulod sa pariha nga probinsya. Munang iyang balaod. Siya, if a national official relatives are prohibited from running in any local position only in the province where the national official is a voter. Dili pwede sa pariha nga probinsya. Tipik lang, kang Representative Elago, ang maanyag nato nga representante, ang iya fourth, ingon siya, only one member of the family may be elected. Iya istrikto. Isa ra gyud ka membro, depende na kung unsay molabay, first, second, third ug fourth. Muna iyang pasabot. Ingon siya, no member of the family shall immediately succeed to the position. Pariha na ang uban. Nga dili pwede nga igsuon ang musunod sa pariha nga posisyon. And we also have here the bill of Congressman Suwan atong garbo sa Cagayan de Oro. Ingon siya, a relative is prohibited to succeed an incumbent relative in any position. Kanya, very unselfish of Congressman Suwan. What he is saying, he has a brother who is a councilor, but he is tough and strong enough to say and file a bill that if you allow him to finish 3 terms as congressman, his brother, his mother, his sister, or his father will not be able to succeed him. That's his bill. That's your son in Cagayan de Oro saying that already as early as now. So these are the difference of all the bills, but there are 24 bills.